Hello, we are Jocelyn Santos Rosales, Andrés Oliva Casado, and Hazel Marroquín Chapas, and we are going to show you how to install Ubuntu Linux on a PC on the Intel Theory 2 architecture. The first step is to place your Ubuntu disk on your CD drive. After you do so, you select on your bootloader the choice to boot from it. This is how the screen will look after you select your language. This time we choose Install Ubuntu and then press Enter. Stand by for a few minutes while the system loads. During this time, Ubuntu is copying important files to your RAM, so you can run it without touching any of your hard disk files.
The first step is to choose your language. You may choose it between of the many languages available. The next step is the country selection, in which you choose your regional settings and time zone. And please make sure of your regional settings. Then, you choose the regional keyboard settings. We choose Latin America, and there we go.
This is the partitioning part. We can choose between the manual or the guided. In the manual choice, we get to select each partition, and the guided, the assistant, let us do it by itself. In this part, we customize the system. We input the username, we check it, and we input a password that we will use to enter the system when it is installed. We can also choose to enter automatically or to change the equipment ID.
And now, we're in the final checkup. We review the choices made, we double check the bootloader setting, and we will also select to participate on the Ubuntu survey. And finally, we just have to review the computer, and it will take a little while to do so.
Welcome to your newly installed system. The first step is to start your session. In this step, you'll use the user account you created during the installation. We input the username, then the password we already set, and the system is starting now. This is the Ubuntu desktop. This is the main area in which you can interact with your computer. Ubuntu uses GNOME as a system environment, and it features a very clean theme that you'll have to get used to using. This is the applications menu. In this menu, you may look at all the applications the system has installed. We can check out also the system menu, which has the preferences for the user, in this case the appearance. We can now select a theme. In default, Ubuntu has several themes which we can choose. We can try themes, and all these settings will be applied just as we click. We are checking out some themes. We select some that we like. We can also configure the interface, typography, background, and the visual effects settings. We selected extra visual effects, but it is unavailable due to the hardware that we have. In this case, Ubuntu will notify us that that is unavailable. So don't worry, and you'll always have a window environment. You can check out the categories again, then we close. Now we shut down the system. There is it. That's your Ubuntu system installation.